Let me ask you something. Why should your kids have to wait until you're gone to benefit from the equity in your home? Right now, a lot of adult children are stuck. Home prices are high, down payments are hard to save, and even well-qualified home buyers are being shut out of the market. At the same time, many parents are retired and sitting on hundreds of thousands of dollars in home equity, but they're told the only way that their kids can benefit is when they pass away. And that just doesn't sit right with a lot of people, including me. Hi, I'm Richard Woodward. I'm a certified reverse mortgage specialist, and I spend a lot of time helping families rethink how and when home equity can be used. And one of the most powerful strategies I see is this. A retired couple owns their home free and clear, or it's almost paid for, and they don't want a monthly mortgage payment. They plan to stay in the house long term, and instead of waiting for years to leave the equity behind as an inheritance, they use a reverse mortgage to access part of it now. That money can be gifted to their child as a down payment to pay for their first home. No monthly payment is required. The parents stay in their home, kids stop renting, and start building their own generational wealth. Here's why this works so well. The parents keep full home ownership of their home. There's no required monthly mortgage payment. The kids' funds can be gifted, no loan to the child, and the child buys sooner, often with better terms. And the parents get to see the impact of their legacy while they're still alive. This isn't about giving everything away. It's about using a portion of your equity strategically. I hear this all the time from parents. We really worked hard for this home. We paid it down. Why can't we use some of the equity now for our kids? A reverse mortgage isn't about losing your home. You always retain ownership. For the right family, it's about the home supporting the people you love on your terms. If you're retired or close to it, and you've ever wondered how you can help your kids buy a home without sacrificing your own security, this is a conversation worth having. I'm Richard Woodward, certified reverse mortgage specialist. Reach out if you want to see whether this strategy actually makes sense for you. Rather than tapping into your hard-earned savings, use your equity that's going to continue to build anyway. If you want to hear more, give me a call at 214-945-1066. We'll look at the numbers and see if it makes sense. There's no hard sell, no commitment, just a conversation. Thanks so much. I look forward to talking to you.